Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got a package from Miss Betty Vick, and Betty told me this was coming. I can't show you the front. There's some really cute cat stickers on it, but it has her addresses on it. So I did cut it open to get it started, and she told me she was sending me stuff, and it is just some things that she couldn't use. So I took everything out. She got, let's see, oh, there's a card. Let's start with the card. Oh, is that cute? That's a shoebox card. I love that. I love that. I love that, Betty. That is so cute. Very cute. Now, I did get this. She sent it out a little late, and I got it. I've had it for a few days, but like I've been saying, I've had to show things a little late. So it says, Dear Mary, it's your day. Let them know you're the, you're the damn queen, it says. Happy birthday. I cannot believe that I picked a card with a swear word on it. Oh, I saw a cat with the tiara and was bamboozled. Love you, Betty. Oh my goodness, that's so funny. That's so funny. That is adorable. So thank you, Betty. Thank you. Thank you so much, Betty. Let's see. Betty got some things from Temu that didn't quite fit her, so she thought maybe I might like them. So look at how nice that's wrapped. I don't know if that bag is from Betty or from Temu. She did tell me, but I don't remember exactly what they were. These are pretty. Oh, I do remember this. These are probably like a spring to summer pant. See how the bottom is? Let me see how that is there. So they're like, I think they were like a capri. I'll have to do a fashion show, but they're very pretty. I did see these, and we'll see if they fit, or how they fit and all that. And there is something else. Camille has helped herself. Betty has cats, so I think Camille can smell those cats. She's all over the packaging. This also is a very nice bag. Let's see, this is navy blue. I think these are the same type of thing, you know, like a capri, I'm thinking. It has pockets, so that's wonderful. And then look how cute the bottom of these are. Let me see if I can show them to you. They have buttons at the bottom. Well, it is like a, it has a pattern to it, and then it has these, you can button that up. So I'll have to do a little fashion show for y'all. And then there is this box, and Betty did tell me about this. Let me open it and see. Okay, this is it's me, HoloTaco.com it's called. And these are nail colors. You know, I can't wear nail polish because I'm allergic to the polish remover mostly. And this is different. Here, let me show you. Camille, look at how pretty that is, sparkly. This, once you put it on, instead of using polish remover, you can peel it off. So Betty thought I might be able to use it. It's beautiful, sparkly. And then there is a top coat. I assume that's a top coat. I had never heard of this before. It's HOLO. And then it's HOLO Taco, TACO.com if you want to investigate it. Because when you put it on, you know, you can put it on your toes, on your fingers. Then instead of having to use polish, you peel it off. So I had never heard of it. But Betty's up on things. She knows things. Look how pretty all the sparkles in there. So I'm going to try it. And then she also sent me some Opie, I'm not sure how to say that, but I see this at the nail polish places all the time. This is, let me see if I didn't even think about the color names. This is called Humidity. This is beautiful. It has a nice sheen to it. I would be able to put that on my toes. And then there's also a rapid dry, quick drying top coat. So this, let me see if there's a color name. Oh yeah, there is. This is called Play Rosé. It's so pretty, y'all. Play Rosé. So I will, when I test it out, I'll let y'all know. So thank you so much, Miss Betty. And she sent in this box, you know, so that they would be well protected. Well protected. All right, Blue and Camille are right here smelling everything. So I'll do a little, we'll see if those things fit. I'll do a little, would you sit? I'll do a little fashion show. I put this black top on. This I got from Temu. And just because I thought this might be the best to go with these pants. They are a little bit big on me, but they're supposed to be loose. So I may wear them. They have pockets, you know, which is always wonderful. Women like pockets. So they are elastic waist and all around elastic waist. They're a little big, but like I said, I think this is the style that's supposed to be big. Let me see if I can adjust this so you can see the bottom, the way that they're a smudge. You can see how they cross. I'll show you that when I sit back down, but I thought they'd be shorter, like a capri. They are, you know, like longer in the back, a little shorter in the front, you know, cute. They'll be cute with sandals. And I just kept the same blouse on for this. These also have pockets. This is a little bit different material. I'm not sure if it's gonna say what kind, but you see these are shorter. You know, they're not quite, you know, they're just not a long, they're almost long, but they're cute. They have buttons on the side. I'll show you that closer, up closer. I may have already showed you that. I'm doing this a different day than I filmed the rest of the video. But these are nice. So they're almost like a seersucker material. I am filming this on a different day than when I started the video. So this has a really pretty Asian pattern to it. And this is the bottom of it. I did think these would be shorter, like a capri. See how the bottom is? Now in the back, it was longer in the back because of that. And they're cute, but this material is polyester and spandex. 95% polyester, 5% spandex, and it's like a nightgown. So here in the South, there'll be times of the year I could wear it, where I would wear sandals, because this would require sandals because of the way it's cut, I think, for me anyway. And it would be hot to wear this in the summer. So, but in the spring and the fall, I could wear it. And I love the aqua, the different shades of blue going on in there. So that's that pair. And then this pair, I didn't notice when I had them on, but it has a little pocket on the back, a real pocket. It's a real pocket on the back. And this material is a little bit different. Let me see what it was again. It is 95% polyester, but it's 5% elastane. I don't know what that is. And you know, they both say that they're easy to wash. And this is a navy blue, and I like that color a lot. And it's like a seersucker. It's not cotton, but it, you know, just the way, see how it's like it's made to look wrinkled. Is that like a seersucker? I could be saying that wrong. But then the bottom, of course, it's got fur on it. The bottom, I think I had one leg buttoned and one leg not. So these buttons are on the side. But see how the bottom is has this cuff to it, and then you could have this buttoned or not, and I just thought it should be buttoned. But they're very pretty. So they're both very loose on me. I might, if I had ordered these, I might have tried them in the size below. But then again, they're meant to be, you know, they're meant to be relaxed, and you know, they're meant to be that way. So I'll try them in the spring. Come spring, I'll be wearing them. And Camille just sat down. And as far as the nail polishes go, I have nails on right now. I will definitely try a nail first before I do anything else with them. And to wear my press-on nails, you have to keep your nails short. You have to trim them. So I'm not sure, but I am definitely going to try it. I just think that if y'all could just see I hope it comes across how spectacular that is. Camille, can you just rest? She's not resting at all. Maybe if I, let me see, if I put a little bit on some paper, maybe, Camille, you're gonna get it on your tail, lovey. See how she is? Just to see you could, well, I don't think that, well, maybe. It's so pretty. I don't know if that, nah, that really doesn't show you very well. It really doesn't show very well, but it's really cool and I'm gonna try it. So I will let y'all know how that goes and I'll let Miss Betty know. Thank you so much, Betty. I love the card, even though it says, damn queen, you're the damn queen. I love it. I love it anyway. It's a shoebox card, you all know that's how they are. So it says made you look shoebox card. So fun cards. And thank you so much, Betty. Betty just is a great friend and I love talking with her and I love talking with a lot of y'all. So thank you for stopping by. And count your blessings, everybody. Count your blessings, everybody. Count your blessings. Have a great day. Bye-bye.